Hey everyone, another epic trading week is behind us, and you're watching my daily trade log. This is my trade number 237. I have almost completed one full year. I've got 2 more weeks to go. And before I talk about my today's trade, I wanted to quickly go over to the deals that I closed this week. So the first one is Square. It was a double calendar. I opened it earlier in January and I closed it almost a month later, but generated a significant profit. And the reason why I was able to do that is because it was purely a volatility play. If you look at the volatility, it has been low for quite some time. On the 9th of January, when I opened it, volatility was down at around 11, and now it's back up to 30. And we can expect it to keep going up, but I was quite happy to close the deal, get out of it, and book a nice profit. This was a very low risk strategy. It only cost me $150. My max loss was in fact less than $150. If you want to watch the full video, then click on the link above. And my next trade or my next deal that I closed was a calendar spread, a calendar put spread on SPY. I opened it on the 27th. If we go over to the daily chart of SPY, then we can take a look at what happened on the 27th. On the 27th, the SPY closed at 405 and the following day it closed at 400. So it dropped a little bit and I was hoping to take advantage of that, and that trade worked out really beautifully. I invested $5.50 into it and I was able to close it at 611 for a 1300% profit annualized. The third deal that I closed was an AMD put option, which I opened for the earnings. I wanted to have it as an earnings play, but I was able to close it a day before earnings, so I was quite thrilled about it. Over here we can see that the price was down around 71 before earnings, and then after earnings it just went, in fact before earnings it went up quite a fair bit, so I was able to close this for a really nice profit. And then I opened another one pretty much on the same day when I closed this. So as you can see, I opened the original AMD position on the 30th, closed it the day after, and then I opened another one which I managed to close a day after. So it was a beautiful sequence. Within 2 days I was able to turn around AMD twice using exactly the same strategy, and that's because AMD went up for 2 days straight and then it went down finally on the third day. I didn't do anything on that day in regards to AMD. The fifth trade that I closed this week was my Intel short put, and that was actually a somewhat complex strategy. It was a double calendar and it took me a couple of steps to get to a phenomenal result. If you want to learn more about this particular trade, then click on the link above. But basically what happened is I opened the double calendar with the strike price at $30 and expiring on the 27th of January. And I also bought the April $30 put option as well as the call option, and over a couple of steps I was able to close them. The price worked in my favor and I managed to generate a substantial profit at 622% annualized. So this week worked out really beautifully. 5 trades, all of them closed at decent profits, and now I'm looking forward to the coming week, and there is a possibility that my trade number 237 is going to be one of the deals that I will be able to close this coming week. So let's see what my trade number 237 was. So if we zoom into the daily chart, we can see that the price has been going up nice and steady over the last few days, and right before earnings the price jumped up all the way to 214, and after earnings it dropped a fair bit. Now why did it jump? First of all, that's most likely because of positive results by Meta, and that pulled up most of the tech stocks. But after earnings Amazon dropped a fair bit back to the level where it was previously, and I am trying to take advantage of that drop by selling a put option. For those of you who have been following me regularly, you know that when the price of a stock drops, then I like to sell put option, and when the price of a stock jumps, then I like to sell call options, because quite often we can find that there is a correction after X number of days, and you can definitely benefit from those sort of deals really beautifully. So this wraps up my trade number 237. And once again, I've got 2 more weeks to complete the full 1 year of tracking one of my trades every single day. And once I completed the full year, then I will share my results. I will show you how many trades I made, how many trades were successful, and how many trades were unsuccessful, and you can draw your own conclusion on how my strategies work, and hopefully you will find it useful, hopefully you will find it beneficial, and you'll be able to take advantage of it. So thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you will have a great week, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.